Hello guys, today is the 11th day of our coding challenge and our task for today is going to be what filter app includes and other conditional with string cleaning. So first we are going to get our SPCK editor and here we have previous code. So let's close this and we are going to start creating our new file. This is just going to be filter words.js. Then here we're just going to alert to confirm if we are linking everything correct. So let's link it to our Java HTML. The filter words.js. Then we see what we have, and we have linked everything correct to our HTML. Right now, we're just going to bring in the words that we want to filter. Let's just call it bad words. It's going to be equals to, we can just call it, we don't want beach. Remember, this should be inside string. And we can just say SA. So that is a, but sorry, let me reverse it because I don't want anything to happen to this video. I don't want this video to go down. So we can just use this instead of a U. Let's use E. Let's just use this. I believe you know what I want to write, and we're just going to use instead of this. We're just going to use this like this, and that is it. Let's just manage this one for now. And the next thing we are just going to do is that we are just going to clean the string as the code as our test suggested. It said that we should clean string. So if you can see here, you can say string cleaning. So to do this string cleaning, we have to create a function. Then we're just going to say function. Then we're just going to say clean string. And that is just going to, let's just bring this thing we want to clean. That is str. And then let's get rid of this function. So to clean the string, we are just going to return str dot replace, and this is going to help us to replace anything, to get rid of anything like 1, to get rid of anything like 1 to 9 hash or all this kind of thing. We are going to get rid of it. We're going to replace them all. So to do this replacement, we're just going to get this, and let's open and close, and inside here we are just going to use we are replacing also. Let's use this guy here, and A to Z, then 0 to 9, and the Y space and S. After this, we are just going to give it an empty space. So here right now, once we get this, we are also going to, we need to convert this to lowercase first. So string dot to lower case. Is the method. So this is all we have, and after we get this, we are going to create a function to filter all the bad words. So we are just going to use filter, or we can use some. But let's use some for this. For some reason, I need to use some so that we can do this fast. And then we're going to say clean. We're going to say, okay, let's just call it clean bad words. And the param is going to be text. The text we want to include, we want to clean. So here we are just going to say const cleaned is going to be equals to this guy over here, this string we have here, and remember that it's a function. Then we have to put the text inside. After this, then